Did you know that by age 40, most people lose up to 25% of their macular pigment density, leading to glare sensitivity and an early visual decline? Many rely on glasses or surgery while overlooking simple dietary solutions that nourish retinal health. Today, we reveal 5 powerful foods that sharpen your vision naturally. The retina depends on the carotenoids, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants to maintain photoreceptors integrity and a visual processing speed. Lutein and zeaxanthin accumulate in the macula to filter harmful blue lights, while DHA preserves photoreceptor cell membranes. Diets lacking these nutrients accelerate age-related macular degeneration and dry eye syndrome. Targeted foods can replace these compounds for a clear vision. Leafy greens, like spinach and kale, are a nutritional powerhouse loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that preferentially accumulate in the macula and the lens. They filter high-energy blue lights, neutralize free radicals, and reduce risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataract formation by up to 40%. Within retinal pigment epithelial cells, these carotenoids quench reactive oxygen species, inhibit lipid peroxidation, and stabilize cell membranes, preserving the photoreceptors' function and improving contrast sensitivity under low light conditions. Aim to consume 2 cups of raw spinach or kale daily, whether in salad, smoothies, or a lightly steamed. Pairing with healthy fats such as olive oil or avocado enhances carotenoids absorption by up to 14%. Cold water fatty fish are enriched dietary sources of DHA and omega-3 fatty acids that constitute over 30% of retinal photoreceptor other segment lipids, essential for membrane fluidity and signal transduction. DHA integrates into photoreceptor membrane, supporting this renewal and preventing apoptosis. It also suppresses retinal inflammation via down-regulating NFKB pathways and reducing VEG-mediated neovascularization risk. Eat 2 100-gram serving of a wild-caught salmon, mackerel, or sardines weekly. For vegetarians, supplement with a 250 mg DHA daily to maintain optimal retinal function. Egg yolks provide highly bioavailable lutein and zeaxanthin alongside choline, essential for neurotransmitter synthesis in the visual cortex, making them an efficient vision-enhancing food. The phospholipid matrix in the yolks enhances carotenoid uptake up to 4-fold compared to plant sources, increasing macular pigments, optical density, and improving glare recovery. Incorporate 2 whole eggs, preferably free-range 3 to 4 times weekly. Cook lightly, poach or soft boil to preserve nutrient integrity and impair the leafy greens for a synergy effect. Red, orange, and yellow bell peppers and the citrus fruit are rich in vitamin C, bioflavonoid, and beta-cryptoxanthin, which support collagen synthesis in the cornea and the capillaries, reducing oxidative damage to ocular tissue. Vitamin C replenishes oculars harbor antioxidant capacity, scavenges free radicals, and regenerate vitamin E. Beta-cryptoxanthin augments macular pigment and enhances visual contrast sensitivity. Consume 1 cup of a slice of bell pepper to 1 medium orange daily. Snacks on them, raw or added to salad and salsas to maximize vitamin C bioavailability and supports capillary health. Nuts and seeds, like almond and sunflower seeds, supply vitamin E and zinc, critical for protecting photoreceptors from lipid peroxidation and supporting retinal pigment epithelium function. Vitamin E interrupts lipid peroxidation change reaction in the photoreceptor's outer segments, while zinc facilitates vitamin A transport from the liver to retina for rhodopsin degeneration. Snacks and a handful about 30 grams of raw almonds or sunflower seeds daily. Incorporate them into trail mixes or sprinkle over yogurt. Sprinkle over yogurt for nutrient-dense eye health boosts. Oxidative stress. Excess reactive oxygen species damage photoreceptor membranes and retinal pigments epithelium, accelerating macular degeneration. Blue light exposure, prolonged screen time without adequate macular pigments protection, increases toxic damage and impairs contrast sensitivity. Nutrient deficiencies, low intake of carotenoid omega-3s, vitamin C and E, and zinc disrupts antioxidant defenses and the photoreceptors renewal, leading to visual decline. Blue light management. Use blue light blocking glasses or a skin filter for 2 hours before bedtime to reduce phototoxic stress and improve sleep quality. How to? Every 20 minutes, look at your object 20 feet away for 20 seconds to reduce digital eye strain and maintain focus flexibility. How to? Safe sign exposure. Used to spend 10 minutes outdoor daily. Wearing UV blocking sunglasses. Stimulate vitamin D synthesis without risking photo damage. Hydration. Drink 2 liters of water daily to maintain tear film stability and prevent dry eye discomfort. Schedule a comprehensive delayed eye exam annually to detect early macular change and intervene nutritional or medically. Incorporating leafy greens, fatty fish, eggs, colorful peppers, and citrus, plus nuts and seeds into your diet supplies. Add carotenoids, omega-3s, vitamin, and a mineral your eyes need for sharper vision and protecting against age-related decline. Start today. Track your visual change and pair these foods with the healthy habits. If you found this video helpful, like it and subscribe and share. Always consult for eye care professional before making major dietary change.